7 o'clock on the dot, I'm in my drop top, cruising the street. Oh yeah, I got a real pretty, pretty little thing that's waiting for me, for me, yeah. She can have anything and it's
Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So if you want to see how I got from this to this, stay tuned. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And get me to 3K. We are finally at 2,000. I am super excited. And yeah, let's just keep it going up from there. But yeah, let's get into it. So we all done it. Don't judge me, judge your mama. But y'all, I washed my hair. Everybody knows wash day is a drag, but I washed it and it's been like 2 days now and I didn't put any product on it. None. Like it is, can you hear it? It's dry. So yeah, we about to revamp it, and I'm actually about to try to do something different. Well, not different. I'm gonna try to do something new with this new, well, it's not new. I mean, it's my head, but this is my second big chop. If you guys didn't know, it's my second big chop, and I haven't done just a regular, I guess, wash and go. I haven't just done just my hair by itself, just let it hang. And without product, even though this is tangly, I stopped like right here. So with product, I'm probably gonna start right here. So we will see. We about to get into it. I'm about to use the Creamy Nature Argan Oil from Morocco. Their Curl Activator Cream Moisturizer. Then I'm gonna use their Argan Oil from Morocco, Curl and Hold Custard. I'm a whore for Creamy Nature, so that's what we're using. I'm gonna use this. Maybe, I don't know yet. I might use this just depending on how my curls work with everything else. And I'm gonna use the edge fixer. This, I'm a whore for this too. This works, y'all. Get this, okay? Get this. Can y'all see it? Get that. But yeah. Oh, and of course I'm using this, okay? This is a must. And it's so crazy because like usually when it looks like this, it's like if it just wash it again, but it's like I don't have the energy. But okay, let's get into it. So first and foremost, we're gonna do sections. I try to do my part first. It's so tangly. Okay, so y'all think that's enough? I think we just gonna, okay, we gonna say that's enough. So let me section this part off as one. And of course, in the sections, I'm gonna do subsections, so yeah. So let's go.
world, but hell sacrifice all for me, And I made up my mind, I'm in love this time, and it feels so real. I just wanna take it nice and slow. Now, baby, tell me what you wanna do with me. And I know that we won't ever. Now, baby, tell me what you wanna do with me. This time, it's time for us to settle. Baby, tell me what you wanna do with me. And I wanna be with her forever. Call me L-O-V-A-N-D-R-E. Now, baby, tell me what you wanna do with me. Got a nigga feeling like Joe to see. Every time that you roll with me, holding me, trying to keep control of me nice and slow. But you know, never letting go, never messing up the flow. This how the hook go, come on.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to do the same. I'm a pattern type of girl, so I'm gonna try to do the same thing for everything. The first thing I want to do is moisturize. So We're gonna take each section. Y'all, this does not work out. I'm gonna cry. I'm going to cry. We're gonna take each section, and of course I do sections within the section, so I'm gonna put this to the side, and we're going to wet. Okay, it's not as bad. Probably because I detangled it really good before I washed, and I detangled it in the shower as well. Make sure you guys go watch my wash routine. I posted it on TikTok. I might post it here as well. I don't know yet. If y'all already saw it, then yeah, I posted it here. But yeah, okay. So make sure that water is penetrating my hair. Well, my hair is upset. It's like, you had us dry for this long. You want to sit here and drench us up and think that we just gonna do our job? Yes, I did, and I still do. I do think you guys are gonna do your job. Okay, they coming. It's coming along a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna take this Creamy Nature moisture inside curl activator. Y'all, me and products. I'm gonna try to use it. Oh, I said a little bit. Whatever. Okay. My hair is happy, y'all. Okay. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna do that for you. Gonna twist it. So it's just out the way. And I'm gonna do that for the rest of my hair, and yeah. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I already see that this is gonna be a fail. My hair is so short. But I'm gonna follow through. So now we're about to do our edges, just so I can feel a little hope. A little hope. But yeah, so wish me luck. Oh my gosh, I'm over here talking to you guys, but looking in the mirror, acting like I wish me luck. So now I'm using the curl cream and just getting all up in my curls. I really love this curl cream and curl moisturizer combo because it works well together and it works well for my hair. So we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep doing we're gonna keep doing what it does because it does it well. Yeah, just take each section, and I love the fact that I work in sections because the bigger the section, honestly, I can't penetrate everything correctly. So like the more sections I have, the better. And yeah, I just keep going. Look at me, so happy. I think I'm happy because I'm starting to see my curls form because they were really dry at first. But yeah, just keep watching. If you haven't already, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe because yeah, why not? I mean, you're here for a reason, so you might as well support the channel. And yeah. Myself, it's not that bad, but yeah, so I'm about to diffuse it because I don't need it to just be dripping on me. So I'm about to take this heat protectant and spray it. Oh, I sprayed it in my ear. Ooh. Okay, take the heat protectant and then use my diffuser. So we'll be back. I really don't like using the diffuser. I really don't. But I'm gonna use it today because I just need to. And hopefully it works. Usually it doesn't, but that was before I cut my hair, so we'll see, because I feel like my curls are healthy. So let's get into it.